How does the Everyday Readiness, a Preventive Measures Workshop sound?
It sounds very impressive. I've never done anything like that, and I think it would be very useful for pretty much anybody.
For me, it sounds like Christmas because you have everything that you need.
It sounds like it's going to cover a lot of different things.
I'm eager to participate and learn.
There's a whole saying that once a war breaks out, it's not a matter who wins, it's who loses more.
You're not just walking in saying, oh, well, I'm going to learn how to prevent issues with safety.
The key really is to avoid the situation in the first place.
It's really walking in and being very well equipped. It's the Artemis approach to what we do every day as responsible gun owners.
I think that's, as a population in Orange County, we need to be better at that.
I'm sure we get the best of the best and all the information that we need.
I know with that group of individuals, you're getting tier 1 level knowledge and skills and feedback and a wealth of experience.
A workshop like that would be extremely valuable to a lot of people, most definitely.